Good Monday morning, everybody. Just wanted to kind of give you an update on the work so far. A lot of you have been turning everything in and you're kind of ahead of the game. The plan today was just to continue work on the STARS online activity, and a lot of you have that done. I know that it's not in the grade book yet. That is what I'm going to be working really hard on today, to get everything graded, and if you've turned it in on Google Classroom, I can return it to you with some feedback. So nothing new today. I will be making a couple videos, maybe today and then every day this week, just little video clips that show you where to look in the sky for certain constellations, because that is our next chapter that we'll be going over tomorrow. So there's just a few of the most popular and easily located constellations that I want you to give it a shot. Go outside at night and see if you can find some of these. Obviously, the weather is a factor. Tonight might not be the night. Looks like it's going to be maybe a little bit rainy, but maybe tomorrow evening. So just keep your eye open for that. And again, nothing new today. Tomorrow you will have a lecture on constellations, chapter 3, and you'll have some questions that you can continue work on that Google Doc. And then there's also mythology in the stars project. And I will be releasing a video clip on what that little project is about. Okay, so that's all tomorrow. Today, just wrap up any work that we've done so far. So that would be chapters 1 and 2 lectures, the STARS online activity, and then that one Life of Stars reading. Alrighty, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.